the cameras are off, do you all talk? Do you interact? Is there, I mean, one of the laments of the public is sort of the breakdown in bipartisanship.
Well, we do talk. Certainly all the members of the committee talk with each other. But it's obviously not pleasant when we're in the midst of the investigative work or we're doing the public hearings because they've adopted the president's strategy of deflect and attack. It's hard to engage them on the merits. Now, my GOP colleagues, not as much on the committee as off the committee, will express their serious misgivings about the president's conduct. I'm not interested anymore in their private misgivings. They need to have the courage of their convictions and to speak publicly, and even more importantly, they need to vote their conscience and vote their oath. But there's little sign, at least in the House, of a willingness to do that.